testing the riot defense capabilities of the Cybertruck. The glass is going to be the only thing between me and pro boxer Jake Paul. Along with him with the RPG. You can put the RPG away. So I'm going to sit here in the truck, and I'm going to hope and pray that this super durable glass hangs on tight.
F you, Cody.
He's spitting on it!
Spit on that thing!
Yeah, come at me, bitch!
Wow! Oh, watch out!
Oh my god!
Oh!
Oh my freaking, whatever those are. I think he would be okay. I did